In this video, I am going to show you how to build a killer custom training plan for you to achieve your goals. We are going to ask you three questions that I've been asking athletes for years and years. Number one, how much time do you have to train each week? Number two, what are you training for? And number three, when that is, because timing is everything. All right, I'm going to use my two goals that I'm training for next year, which is the New York Grand Fondo on May 17th and the Steamboat Gravel Race on June 28th. From your calendar tab, you're going to choose build a custom plan. Now, here's those three questions I was mentioning. How much time do you have to train each week? 48 hours is masters friendly, so is 8 to 12 age appropriate masters based training, or 12 to 16 if you're a little younger, you can train longer. And 16 plus is really reserved for our professional, elite level riders. So say you have 4 to 8 hours. What are you training for? And I'm going to say an upcoming event. Now, I'm going to use the Steamboat Gravel as the date of the event. So that's gravel, but here's all the different types of training that we have for you. Gravel, when is the event? This is really important. You got to know the date of your event. It's June 28th. If you're just training to get faster for next year, just use the season, like April 18th or June, whatever. You're going to click continue. Do you want to include strength training? Me, yes. Strength training is incredible for you. You definitely want to do it if you have time and if your knees and back will allow you. Yes, include strength training. And so now CoachCat builds you the plan. It's going to have you do our 30-week on-season plan, which includes 10 weeks of weightlifting, 16 weeks of sweet spot base, and then the all-important 6 weeks Steamboat Gravel plan. You're going to click start this progression, and it's going to add this training plan to your calendar. And one thing you can do is then you can go and review your training. Then you can modify it. So say you can't train for 2 hours on Sunday, you can just click, drag and drop, move a workout. Maybe you can't even train at all on that particular day. You can delete a workout. You can come over to the library and you can add workouts. Say you need a recovery day on that specific day. You can also come over here to the AI and begin to personalize your custom training plan even more and more. But I'll show you that later. But I want to show you how to manage your plan. So come over here, click profile, click manage custom plan. And so these are all the phases of your training. And if you don't want to do one, just click remove. And so you can click remove phase, remove. It actually looks like I applied this training plan twice because I've been working on this video. Remove the plan, remove the Steamboat Gravel plan here. Poof. And now you've got a great custom training plan. You can come back here and design your custom training plan as much as you want, anytime you want. Let's say you have multiple A races and you want to ask CoachCat in the AI chat how you should approach those. Build me a custom plan for the New York Grand Fondo on May 17th, and then the Steamboat Gravel on June 20th. Very important is to include the dates and then the types of races. Fondo, gravel. That's very important to give the AI the context. Now, the AI is going to go into our training library and select the appropriate phases based on how much time you have to train in between now and when these events are. And it's going to ask you questions again, like how much time you have to train. Do you want to lift weights? And so here we go. Weekly training. How much training do you have? I'm going to say 4 to 8 hours. And voila, we have a training plan. Would you like for me to add this training plan to you? So you can review it first. You can see you're doing the on-season plan, the Fondo plan, then the Steamboat Gravel plan. Type yes. I'm just going to come over here and it's going to add it to your training calendar. And you can review your training plan here. 30-week on-season Fondo plan. Have you peak for May 17th, very important, and then Steamboat Gravel. There you have it. Great custom training plan that now you can begin to customize yourself.